Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
If you want to lose weight fast and stay fit, include these seeds in your health diet. These are basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. They are rich in fiber and it makes them a weight loss friendly food. This can help to fill you up and reduce hunger. And when you reduce hunger, this means you eat less and fewer extra calories are stored in your body as fat. This also makes them beneficial for the gut health. Sabja seeds are also called as magic weight loss seeds because they have a cooling effect on your body. It also has been used to treat conditions such as depression, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and metabolic imbalances. All you need to do is take 1 to 2 teaspoons of your basil seeds. And what I'm going to do is add them in a separate bowl, but you can put it into a cup of warm water. Next, what I'm getting ready to do is add some warm water that I have boiling on the side, and I'm just going to put enough to cover the seeds. But really and truly, put about a cup of warm water in there because the seeds are going to absorb and swell. Leave them for at least 10 to 15 minutes on the side to increase. And when it's soaked in water, the seeds are going to absorb and increase in size, which in turn increases the fiber content and release digestive enzymes. So now I'm just going to cover the top just to keep the steam in and allow it to swell for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Like I said, make sure you put them in a big enough cup so this way when they swell, they don't get too clumped up like this. I should have had them in a cup. So what I'm dealing with now is the top part of it did not completely swell, but it will when I put it inside my cup and add some boiling water. Sabja seeds have about 11 grams of protein, 5 grams of carb, and 2 grams of fiber. Add at least a cup to a cup and a half of boiling hot water. Next, just mix it in very well. It will separate after a while. Now I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice into the cup. You can use either a half a lemon or a whole lemon for even more flavor. After that, add in at least a teaspoon of honey and mix very well. Drink this in the morning on an empty stomach and follow with a healthy lunch and dinner. This is what's going to help your body to get rid of that belly bloat, that belly weight, and it's going to shrink your stomach down in at least 7 days. You're going to be able to see your stomach flattening out. Do this every day, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this on weight loss, okay? So don't forget to share this with your friends and family who are trying to lose that stomach and shrink it down. Also check down below in my eBay store for wonderful herbs and tonics for weight loss, and check my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, and beauty care videos, alright? So you guys, I thank you for joining me, and I will see you again in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.